Hello amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video guys, I'm going to show you how I made this French coils braided wig, how I treated the coils that it came out this nice without tangling and everything, how I customized my mesh cap before braiding. I'm going to show you guys everything in this video, so if you sound like something you've been interested in, then stick with me to the end of this video. I'll still show you guys exactly how I prep the French coils. So the first thing I'm going to do is to place my dome cap on my mannequin head. Okay, this is the first thing. Then I have to sew down my closure. It's actually a 3x6 closure, but you can use any size of closure of your choice. So I have to just place it down on my mesh cap and secure it with a pin. I'm gonna be better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better. Let's talk about. So when I'm done securing the closure on the cap, I'll have to use my needle and thread to sew it down. Please, this is not a well detailed video on how to secure your lace and then sew it down. I've already uploaded a video on that. I mean this particular closure. Please go ahead and check my last two videos. Okay, my last video, you will see where I show how you can secure and then sew down any size of closure, but taking this particular one as an example. So when I'm done, I have to now use my concealer to mark out 1 inch. When I get close to the closure part, I have to use 1/2 inch. I've already dropped a detailed video on how you can do this. Please, you need to do this. The reason why you need to do this is that it will guide you on how to crochet the braids. Okay, it won't come out too full, it won't come out too scanty. If you want to get that moderate full crochet braided wig, then you have to first of all draw a guideline, and this is how far I have gone. You see how the coils is, see how I was able to easily separate the hairs without any tangle or whatever. Is because I already treated the coils. If you don't know how I did this, please check my last video. Okay, I can't compile all the whole process in this particular one because it makes this video to be too lengthy and I don't want that. That's why I have to divide the videos. Okay, all the whole step. Please check my last video on how I treated and then prep this particular French coils. So now for the back side, I just use my crochet pin to crochet little amount of the coils and then bringing another one, I'll start braiding. Please, guys, let you guys know this: braiding with French coils is kind of difficult. Okay, it's not like normal braiding hair, because of how the texture is. So you have to, whenever you're braiding with it, you have to, even if you're making someone's hair or you're braiding crochet wig like this one, you have to hold the base very firmly. Okay, if you don't do it like that, the coil is going to unravel whenever you are done with it. It's not as easy as braiding with normal hair. I mean normal braiding hair, that's extensions. Okay, so when I get to the tip, I have to first tie the coils round for like 3 to 4 times, then before knotting it. The reason why I'm doing this so that it will not loose from the tip. okay, because of the nature of French coils, it's necessary you do this. So I could be crocheting round, okay, just following the guideline I mark. Like I said, I've already dropped that video. Check my last video, okay, that's the same way I did this. If I say let me compile all the process, okay, in this particular video, it's going to be lengthy, and another one I might not be so detailed because I will try as much as possible to cut down some parts. So that is the reason why I decided to split it into parts. Okay, I've already dropped a video on how you can sew down the closure and then how you can draw your guideline. Okay, so this is another part now, which is how to actually make the coils, and also a video on how you can prep the French coils, so that whenever you are picking it, it will be very easy for you and it won't tangle. Okay, it will just be free, flexible for you to braid with. If you don't do it like that, you're going to waste a whole lot of your coils. So when I get to the tip, I have to tie like that and then knot it several times, maybe 3 to 4 5 times. Okay, this is why I'm doing this, is so that it won't lose at the end. Okay, even if it will lose, it will take time before it will lose, because of how the French coils are. The texture is not just like normal braiding hair. Getting close to the closure part, I decided to do my closure part first now before filling the remaining space. Okay, so I divided my closure into 2 equal parts and then parted it into 2 like that, and each of the line contains up to 7 boxes. Yeah, I have to cut the amount I want, and then I'll start braiding. Like I say, please always hold it firmly. French coils is not like normal hair, it's not like normal attachments. It's kind of more difficult to braid with, so that's why you need to make sure everything is firmly secured. Okay, so guys, if you know you are finding any value from this video and you are yet to like this video, please consider liking the video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing. I have a lot of tutorial videos coming your way. If there's any point at any point you got confused, you can always drop your question in the comment section. Okay, I will attend to them. I'm gonna be better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous. You don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better. Let's talk about. So when I part my hair, I'll go ahead and divide it into 3. Then I braid 2 times before adding the coils. Please make sure it's firmly secured. Like I said, if you don't secure it very well, if you don't tight your hand while braiding this, it's going to lose. Okay, it's going to lose. So when I braid 2 times, then I'll go ahead and start adding my extension like that. Now I'll keep braiding till I get to the tip, and I have to now knot it several times so that it won't lose. So when I'm done with the closure part, the next thing I did was just to fill the remaining space. Okay, the space I left, I have to fill them, make sure it's properly filled with no space at all. Then when I'm done, I have to now just go ahead and trim it. French coils, you don't need hot water. Please do not dip it inside hot water. If you do that, you are going to scatter your coils. Okay, do not dip it inside hot water, just trim. So guys, if you found any value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and help me to share my videos. If you don't know how I prep this French coils, how I treated it and then prep it, please watch my last video. To know how I draw the guideline, watch the second to the last video. To know how I sew down my closure, watch the third to the last video. Okay. So when I'm done with the trimming and everything, like I said, no hot water is needed. This is what we have. You see how the coils is bouncing. I did not find it difficult separating the coils at all because I already did something on it that was able to enable me separate my coils freely and easily. Please go ahead and watch that video so you know how you can treat your French coils before you prep it. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and if you know you found any value from this video, please consider liking my video, share my videos. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I will always reply all your questions. Thank you guys once again for watching, and see you in my next upload. Bye.